Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you about my flask. I bought another one from, I think from eBay. So just open it already just now. So it's here. Black crust, brown, cream, dark blue. Oh, the colors, so many colors. And this one, mine is 400 ml. Okay. So we try to open. I buy this one for my work. So I have, if I want coffee or tea, so I can use this one, and I can use this one also to go anywhere and put into the car. Look. It's a green color. I choose green color. This one I just already washed. It's 500 ml. So we try now. Try into the toilet. So they have a press. You have to press the button. Okay. That is water. Then more. Press another one. No more. Look. It's nice. So I'm trying to use into my car if it fits into my car. Okay. Kitchen. Oh my god, there is no case. Maybe. I don't know where's my car key. Here's the car keys. My car keys. I'm going to try my car keys. My car. It's working into the car. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's fit in my car. That's nice. Okay. Yay! Fit into my car. this one. Going to wash and then see. It's fit into the car. I'm going to check if this one, how long, how many, compare this one. I'm going to check how many. 1.5. So this is better. Our kitchen has no clean. No clean the kitchen. I don't know here if they have clean here. No clean. The toilet has no clean. My goodness gracious me. Lazy. There's no kitchen. Dining has no clean. Oh, turn off. Okay.